say something? I think it's bahasa Indonesia apa Inggris ya? Saya bahasa Indonesia aja ya. Indonesia aja ya. Inggris. Ya. Mandarin, Indian then. But I think it's more appropriate if we let Mr. Oba talk on behalf of us. Mr. Oba is the one who helped us establish AFC in the beginning. You know AFC? AFC has been more than 50 years in Japan. Of course, it's a big pharmaceutical company, and to bring them in with our plan to sell as a network marketing (MLM), they have like a huge rejection in the beginning. When we introduced them, like, hey, can I use AFC for MLM? They're like laughing, they're like angry, upset. I have to come like 1 year. Every like 3 months I visited his office. Hey, Oba-san, please help. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be a future for AFC too. You know, because before COVID, traditional business is flourishing. Even AFC is present in Guardian, as you know, in Singapore, in Malaysia. They already have AFC. So to make AFC as a network marketing company, it's idea like they like really hate it in the beginning. They don't want it. They're like, MLM is really bad. So I told them like, yeah, I know MLM is like bad reputation. Company come and go and they don't want to pay the commission. They just close down. It's irresponsibly. Last time before, a long time ago, it was like a really bad business. But I said, we can change the industry. If AFC comes in with the Japanese authority that can control us, you know, we have to email them report every month. And they're like monitoring us. If there is like a violation, like we have overclaim, they will email me like, hey, please tell your member, don't do this. So this is what I love about AFC. You know, we always need a higher brand to become our, how do you say it? Like our guru or master. I cannot, you know, we cannot be like this big without AFC brand to guide us, you know. So it's very hard. It's 1 year we have to fight. 1 year I have to tell Oba-san. Oba-san have to bring to the board of director to come with our plan. So finally, after 1 year, persuading them, insisting them, come to their office every time. Even sometimes I go to the office, it's like, I don't want to see you. Something like that in the beginning, right? But now, AFC has been 8 years in Indonesia. And we have won so many prestigious awards in Indonesia. You know, in Indonesia, tell a little story for you guys to know also, right, from Indonesia. When we started in Indonesia, March of 2018, March 2018 is only, I think it's only 8 people. 8 people who believe AFC will go. Every time we talk to the leader, they said like, you don't have experience, this is gonna go bad, the marketing plan is not that good, but I said, we are different. We are partnering with the pharmaceutical giant. This is gonna be different. You know, 8 years later, we even become the number 1 in Indonesia. For all network marketing company in Indonesia, you know, the green one, I cannot say the word, right? Green one with the H, that's the always number 1. But proudly, yes, 2023 to 2025, we are number 1. We beat them in sales. And I believe in Malaysia it will happen the same thing. We will be number 1 in So thank you for your support. Thank you, Pak Tang, Pak Kevin. They are already fighting from the beginning. I know it's a long journey, slow, but now here we are. I think it's gonna be tremendous from here. We're gonna be like really big, super big, and hopefully we are gonna be number 1 in the world. I know in the world because you already have Hong Kong, right? Singapore. Hong Kong is like really good right now. Also Singapore is very good. Malaysia is also awesome. So I believe from Malaysia we will go abroad really quick, really fast, and we know it like another 8 years, we're gonna be like globally present everywhere. So without further ado, let me introduce Mr. Oba, who would say one or two words.
Thanks. My name is Oba, and I'm from Japan. Somebody touched me. So, like Ernest-san told me, said to you about our company, we have over 50 years experience, and also we are the only company who is stock on the market as an OEM manufacturer and dietary supplement manufacturer in Japan, the first company. And also, this year, we're going to open a hotel in Hanoi, Da Nang, Vietnam, and also Shizuoka town in Japan. So we will expand the business, not only the dietary supplement, but also global possibility to expand anything, including real estate. So joint AFC business is not only the dietary supplement. In the future, probably possibility to making something new. The idea coming from you, then we will pay. So anyway, thanks for having me here, and congratulations for the new establishment of the Malaysian AFC. Do you know what AFC means?
Asayama Family Club.
But it's funny, in Japan, our company, people curious about something cool in English. A, advanced. F, future. C, creative. That's the Japanese AFC people said. But originally, Mr. Asayama started with Asayama Family Club. So let me just say one thing. Welcome to the Family Club. And we will support you anything. So congratulations again. Thank you.
One more, because Oba-san said Asayama Family Club. This is also Helen said in the beginning. Why originally Helen is my wife. This is earlier. Before we started, why we pursue AFC so much? You know, for a Japanese pharmaceutical company, it's weird they having name like Asayama Family Club. That's the when Helen said in the beginning, like, this name is MLM name. You know, Asayama Family Club. If you see other businesses in Japan, pharmaceutical, the name is like very scary, like what is it? Something pharmaceutical, anything with the pharmaceutical name. But there is the only one in Japan that pharmaceutical company. It's called AFC. Helen said, "This is for us. This is it's going to be global." Asayama Family Club. Even though Mr. Asayama 55 years ago started this company, it meant for us. So there's like we believe there is some kind of divine connection because the name is like really weird. I think Mr. Asayama, when he did it like 55 years ago, I think this is meant for this time for us. So give us a round of applause for Mr. Oba, who helped us fight IFC become network marketing. So second, I want to introduce our world first double Bushido. Mr. Budi Darwin. Let me introduce him. He is the one who drives the Indonesian market. Before he comes, AFC is very small. Only like 10, 20, 30 people maximum before he comes, before the movie. So with him come along, the Indonesian market starts to grow, and now there's like 11 Bushidos under him. So, and all are his friends. The story, a little story about Mr. Budi Darwin. He is a money game player. was money game player. So he changed location, but after a few money game collapse, he almost had a stroke. Then he was introduced to our product, SOP 100, and he got killed so fast. And he started to bring a lot around his friend. But now he repent already. No more money. But I want him to say something in Indonesian only, comedy, bahasa Indonesia. Everybody knows Indonesia here. If need Mandarin translate, you're gonna learn more from him. Anyway, this Malaysian team is also under him. So under him, and then for you, Adrian, and then Dr. Yudi. Yeah, our three Wisito. So I want him to say something for all of us. Comedy, tell us like your story, everything. Yeah, so they can learn. Thank you.
Oke, selamat siang teman-teman semua. Ya, so saya bicara dalam bahasa Indonesia ya. Nanti ya kelas ya. Untuk translate. Understand? Oke, Indonesia oke ya. Nah, jadi tadi dikenalkan sama Pak Ernest ya. Jadi awal mula memang saya bergabung di sini. Jadi memang karena saya ada sumbatan pembuluh darah teman-teman ya. Jadi sebenarnya memang mungkin karena saya sebenarnya udah jarang juga main produk ya. Lebih banyak main investasi. Hah?
Bicaranya agak pelan ya.
Oh agak pelan, oke. Ya, jadi sebenarnya kita udah jarang sekali main multi level marketing di produk ya. Memang saya lebih banyak main di investment atau tadi money game lah ya. Ada uang gitu ya. Nah, jadi somehow ya mungkin karena kita udah ada pas ada sumbatan, nah itu awalnya. Jadi teman-teman ini juga pengalaman juga. Jadi kalau masuk di dalam bisnis, Anda jangan bicara produk, ya. Teman-teman saya telepon saya, Budi, saya punya produk bagus loh. Ya kan dari Jepang, farmasi Jepang. Coba, kalau laki-laki, Anda kalau bilang telepon produk, gimana? Waduh, ini mesti beli lagi, betul kan? Ya, nah jadi itu kesalahan kita karena laki-laki. Kalau Anda ketemu laki-laki, 95% harus bilang uang. Coba kalau teman-teman kita kalau dia bilang ini, Budi, saya ada peluang bisnis loh dari farmasi Jepang. Baru masuk Indonesia. Indonesia kita baru buka kantor ada 8, yang Malaysia ke 9. Nah, saya sudah pelajari sistemnya. Uangnya banyak loh. Karena banyak, baru saya ngajak kamu, benar nggak? Saya tahu Mr. Tam juga orang sibuk. Kalau uangnya nggak banyak, nggak mungkin saya ajak kamu dan nggak mungkin saya di sini juga. Mr. Tam, kalau sebulan bisa dapat misalnya 10.000 sampai 20.000 ringgit, Anda mau dengar nggak? Nah, masa teman-teman kita nggak mau, benar nggak teman-teman ya? Handphone kita ini sih minimal juga ada 1.000 teman kita. Nah, kalau ada 10 teman aja yang mau bergabung, berarti satu kita udah punya 10. Ya teman-teman ya, 10 masing-masing ngajak 10, udah 100 ngajak 10, 1.000 ngajak sekali lagi masing-masing 10 aja 10.000. Itu udah kaya raya. 10.000 orang teman-teman, 1 bulan kan tadi karena dia sakit, kalau enggak family dia sakit benar untuk istri, untuk orang tuanya, untuk anak-anaknya ya kan, atau dia referensi buat temannya. 1 hari 1 bulan 1 paket aja. Nah dari pairing Anda ya kan, Anda dapat berapa? 30 kali 4 ya. 30 kali 3 ya, 90 ringgit. Nah anggap sekitar 100 lah ya, 100 ringgit. 100 ringgit dari 10.000 orang Pak. 1 bulan beli 1. Anda udah dapat berapa? 10.000 kali 100, 1 million. Nah Anda udah punya 1 million ringgit setiap bulannya. Karena teman-teman ya, itulah adalah faktor perkalian. Nah jadi teman-teman, multi level marketing memang saya di industri ini udah 20 tahun lebih. Ya, dulu saya juga IT, pernah bekerja di perusahaan Malaysia ini. Jadi bos saya adalah orang ke-37 yang terkait di Malaysia. Ya, tapi kemudian saya merasa saya cuma dibayar gaji. Kenapa bos saya di sini kaya kita cuma diterima gaji. Ya, nah jadi saya juga punya impian. Ya dulu waktu saya di umur 33, saya juga mau pensiun muda, pensiun kaya. Nah pada saat itu saya suka baca buku, saya ikut banyak seminar sampai ke Malaysia, sampai ke Singapura, sampai Hong Kong. Akhirnya saya dapat jawaban. Nah, kata guru saya gini, Budi, kalau Anda mau pensiun muda, pensiun kaya, raya, 1, usaha kita harus punya faktor perkalian. Ya, usaha kita harus punya faktor perkalian. Karena saya kerja di bidang IT, kan matematikanya cuma kali 1. Nggak mungkin. Sepupu saya dokter kalau nggak praktek ada uang nggak? Nggak ada uang juga. Pengacara, lawyer, karena kalau nggak ada kasus, nggak ada uang juga. Kita buka toko, kita buka restoran. Kalau selama masih 1, nggak buka toko, nggak buka restoran, nggak ada uang juga. Nah sehingga guru saya bilang gini, oke, perkalian dari mana? Dia tanya saya, Budi, bapak kamu punya pabrik? Saya bilang nggak ada, karena begitu saya kuliah tingkat 3, orang tua saya udah meninggal, bapak saya udah meninggal karena sakit. Jadi saya bilang nggak ada, harus mulai dari nol. Nah kalau harus mulai dari nol, ya udah Anda masuk multi level marketing. Karena multi level marketing punya faktor perkalian tuh teman-teman. Ya teman-teman ya, jadi perkalian hari ini contohnya 1 bulan saya sekarang dibayar sama kantor itu lebih kurang 200.000 Sing dolar ya setiap bulan cara rata-rata. Cukup atau teman-teman? Ya, tapi apakah saya kerja lebih keras daripada yang lain? Tidak, teman-teman ya, karena punya faktor perkalian itu teman ya. Nah jadi itu awalnya. Jadi awalnya setelah saya kenal tadi karena saya punya sumbang pembuluh darah. Nah saya mulai lihat nih, nah teman-teman saya semua kalau kita arisan, kita reuni, makan semua Pak. Kan makan enak-enak semua, benar kan? Ya teman-teman ya. Nah kata dokter, ya dokter Yudi itu ya, enaknya kan cuma 10 cm, benar ya? Ya kita masuk 10 cm, sengsaranya 5 meter teman-teman. Kenapa? Usus kita kan panjang, ya kan? Nah kalau kita ususnya kita 15 meter, 13 sampai 15 meter. Nah kalau ususnya kita panjang, kemudian hari kita makan, kita nyempil daging, ya enak-enak semua yang lemak jenuh. Nah nggak keluar, ya lama-lama jadi membusuk ya, tumor, cancer. Nah itu peluang bisnis kita bagus. Nah tetangga kita aja hari ini kanker usus itu mendominasi nomor 1 di dunia ya. Singapura tetangga kita kanker usus nomor 1, Taiwan nomor 1, saya nggak tahu Malaysia nomor 1 atau nomor 2. Kalau di Indonesia kanker payudara nomor 1. Nah kalau kanker payudara nomor 1, kalau di Indonesia kita harus tanya ke bapak-bapaknya nih. Biasanya salah bapak-bapaknya tuh. Sama Pak ya? Oh Malaysia juga kanker payudara nomor 1 juga ya. Nah artinya hari ini kita lihat satu produk kita luar biasa, benar nggak? Jadi pada saat itu saya cuma lihat, berarti teman-teman saya ini butuh produk semua, benar nggak? Apalagi kita punya produk hari ini bisa bikin orang, kalau cewek ya 50% pasti tertarik karena kecantikannya. Kalau kita bisa bikin mereka tambah muda, tambah cantik, kerutan berkurang, awet panjang umur, pasti mau. Ya. Kalau perempuan gampang. Kalau perempuan kalau kita bilang kecantikan, tinggal lihat ke sebelahnya, Pak bayar, ya kan? Dia suruh suaminya bayar, ya kan? Nah kalau laki-laki nggak bisa, makanya laki-laki 95% harus gitu ya, bicara bisnis ya. Oke teman-teman, jadi itu singkat aja, itu awal mula saya masuk karena produk. Nah jadi hari ini yang tadi itu, yang faktor perkalian, Anda mesti ingat aja bahwa Anda terus sharing ya, karena luar biasa sistem ini. Nah mungkin satu lagi, mungkin yang nggak pernah PRS atau Bu Helen nggak tahu nih. Jadi dulu waktu awal saya bergabung di sini, saya juga butuh konfirmasi. Betul teman-teman ya, saya butuh konfirmasi. Benar nggak bisnis ini, HFC ini bakal bagus? Nah jadi karena saya Buddhis, saya nggak mau Buddha, jadi saya konfirmasi kedua bisu. Nah bisu pertama, ya pas waktu saya lagi pergi ke India, pas lagi transit di Hong Kong, saya tanya nih, bisu saya punya bisnis HFC seperti apa? Kemudian bisunya segini, oke, ini bakal jadi besar. Udah ada jalanannya, benar Pak. Jadi setelah saya pulang dari India, saya jalankan Pak jadi besar Pak. Nah kemudian kedua lagi ada bisu nih cewek. Waktu saya ketemu di Medan, karena ketemu bisu ini saya pas lagi ngobrol-ngobrol di bisu kemudian tanya saya, Budi kok bisnisnya apa? Saya bilang saya alternatif kaki stem cell dari Jepang. Begitu bisu nih langsung bilang gini, stem cell, ini bisnis masa depan. Kenapa? Dengarnya enak katanya. Stem cell dengar saja enak katanya. Ini hari ini orang semuanya akan sakit. Daripada Anda cuma makan obat-obatan yang kimia, atau satu lagi adalah stem cell. Benar kan? Nah, ada Mr. suntik, semua yang mahal. Nah, tapi ini ada solusinya. Dengarnya enak katanya. Udah ini adalah bisnis masa depan. Anda jalankan aja, pasti jadi besar. Oke, itu aja boleh. Ya, thank you.
Thank you very much. 我不需要不利，看不利，所以我需要当地吗？不需要对吧 ？OK。所以简单来说呢，我在这里稍微简略的反映一下。刚才我们的帕古蒂呢，他有说到，就是我们的对他以前呢，其实 with English also 我们的帕古蒂呢，他说他以前曾经是阿里店嘛，所以这个大家刚才都知道，因为是用英文嘛。但是呢，他说为什么他会进到这一行呢？其实当然回到去以前，他是打工的，然后他就看到，他的上线，他的老板们全部都是非常有钱的人，那为什么他们这一些曾经也是在这一个金融界的，为什么找不到钱？所以这一个是他一直都有在疑问的一个东西。直到有一个人会跟他说，就是你要找到钱，你要可以一起共赴的事业，其实就是我们的这一个 direct sales。MLM 就是我们的直销行业嘛，然后一直到他讲遇到 LFC 呢，他其实也是因为 product 的，那因为 Money Game 的曾经的那些我们叫做金字塔式的啦，没有产品的这一些他曾经经历的那些失败，他就开始想，如果真的是要做直销的话，我们就需要有产品，那他就发现了，这间公司的产品是非常好。那简短一点来讲呢，在这么多年的过程里面，他为 什么那么相信 AFC？ 因为 AFC 它不是一个单方面的产品，它基本上它除了给那些有需要，刚才他说，我们的全世界很多那些国家的头号杀手都是 cancer 嘛，所以除了这些有需要的 cancer 的病患者们，其实我们的产品也是对于那些爱美的。现在爱美的行业，例如那种线销呢，是多么的那个市场是多么的巨大，对吗？所以它除了给需要的、给爱美的，还有给想要保健的。所以我们的 AFC 的产品是 all in one 嘛，就是任何人都可以是你一个分享的对象这样。这也是他为什么会在 AFC 做到那么成功。当然，除了产品之外，事业也是非常重要。那就是到底那个收入来源是如何？他也在这一方面做了很深的研究，因为毕竟他以前是在金融界嘛，然后他做了很多研究，发现到哇，原来他的 marketing plan 是真的可以找到钱，所以他就说，你是他相信你也是曾经做过很深入的研究了，所以你才会在这一行业一起做这样子。那他现在各位可以猜测的就是他现在的收入是多少？听得懂吗？刚才他说的那个收入，每一个月20万新币。每个月20万新币，所以才做了几年？我们 AFC 在印尼2018年到现在20万新币，多么的不可思议！所以各位不要历史去分享，今天我一起去做好不好？那接下来呢 ？Yes, back to English. I'm not going to translate the English. Okay, so next, we would like to welcome another important person. Also all the way from Indonesia, our Dr. Yudi. Let's welcome him to share a few words with us. Dr. Yudi.
Malaysia is confusing. Ya, Malaysia bikin pusing sedikit ya. 你有我讲国语？可以。Do you want me to speak English? Atau cakap Malay sedikit?
Campok.
Indonesia ya Pak ya? Melayu ya. Di sini yang bisa bahasa Melayu berapa orang? Sedikit ya? Yang bahasa Inggris berapa orang? Oh, mayoritas Inggris ya? Kalau Mandarin nanti dengan san-san saja urusannya ya. Okay, I want to tell you a story from the start ya. When the first I came to Malaysia, then I met with Kevin and Tan and discussed about AFC. But at that time, they say it's not impossible. It's not possible. It's impossible. Why? Because the company still not here and blah 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 and a lot of reasons. But I said we are different because I'm a sanguine person. Then we just go, and we will see. Oh, this is very dangerous. I love danger. Danger is my middle name. I said. So to cut it short, we start with the movement, and yes, we come for business, but because back up with a very powerful products. So the first 3 months, 2 cancer patients become very healthy. Up until now, after 2 years, they are still very healthy. No cancer cells detected, and they become younger and younger. So a lot of other cases also, kidney failure and everything. So with the good products, so we got the momentum because bam, and the words begin to spread, and then now we have this office. I think the leaders here are very happy because they have waited for this office a long time. Yeah, but see the process. We all need the process. So if you want to change your life financially and also health, please allow the process to run. Don't just think that tomorrow I will be rich, tomorrow I will be younger a lot. Not like that. But this is for sure. Last time I go roadshow in Malaysia. Yeah, I met with Simon also. Yeah. And I saw a lot of change with Simon. Yeah. Before the knee hurt and the tendon snaps, so cannot do sports. But after a while, can do tennis with me, but I easily defeated him. But after 1 year, he said, play again with me, play again with me. And then I have to do the tennis full force. 2 hours, 15 minutes, singles, and he almost defeated me. So this is changed a lot, yeah. Because after the games, then I know that he is 11 years older than me, but look younger. So from that time, I begin more convinced about the product. So we can use the products. Yeah. Oh, here also one cancer patient, yeah. Mr. Stephen. So a lot of people here already have the benefits of the products. And also the income, of course. Yeah. But the one who has big income here always silent. Yeah. I don't know why. But yes, this is a good company. So welcome to AFC. And I'm sure that in the years to come, like in Indonesia, we will be #1 here. And also, at that time, people who consistently doing this business, who always try their best to do the business, at that time, they will enjoy. Because in Indonesia also, since I joined AFC, a lot of leaders already do this, another company and stop and things like that, but they got nothing. But we, the Bushidos, always consistent in this business, and now we enjoy so much. Okay, I think because I'm here often, so maybe tomorrow also we will meet for the chatting. Yeah. So I think I know what you are waiting for. You are waiting for the refreshment, for the food. So now is the time for us. Yeah, I have to ask them, but this is the time for us to. Yeah.
Can I have 2 minutes after you guys?
Oh yeah. Please.
Thank you. Nama saya Zakir. Mungkin saya wakil dari Malaysia. Tadi Pak Budi ada Dr. Yudi kan. Tapi untuk saya dari Malaysia tu tadi, I have to speak English. Okay. I think this grand opening is not complete without saying a big thank you to Mr. Oba, to Pak Ernest, Ibu Helen dan juga Pak Mai. Sebab apa? Contohnya dulu kalau saya tahu Chinese punya group sudah lebih dahulu daripada the Malay punya group. Right? It's first started. The Malay only now starting. Number one, I have studied all the ingredient. All the ingredient is very, very powerful. Okay? Number one, when I explain to people AFC, Pak Ernest, your persuasion to AFC, I have to salute you. Sometimes I think you are crazy also. If we imagine, okay, let's imagine if Pak Ernest go to AFC, it's like Pak Ernest going to Pfizer, for example. He asked Pfizer to use Pfizer name in Indonesia. He must be crazy. Okay? Maybe Pfizer pun sudah tendang dia keluar. Okay, tapi Pak Ernest still fighting. And Mr. Oba, thank you. I appreciate sangat daripada Malaysian, especially my family member, my friend. Banyak, a lot has been helped, especially my wife. Her kidney was leaking. Okay? Then after only 3 months, her kidney is no more leaking. And I have somebody to call me from Singapore, from hospital. His kidney is only 22%. I asked him, sorry, if you want to try 1 or 2 boxes, don't waste your money. It's at least 6 a day. He tried for 6 sachets for 3 months, and after 3 months he called me, I want to order 24 boxes. I asked him, why you want to become stockist or what? In Singapore. So no. then he shared with me his kidney from 22% to 55% in 3 months. I never met him before, only on the phone. And before that, insulin, have to poke insulin 3 times a day. Now the doctor in Singapore said, no need, only after 3 months. So a lot of people that help from both of your effort and mistake if you were Helen. So money is good, but when that person in Singapore tell me the kidney is from 22% to 55%, my eye got water. Sir, money is good, but if you have customer like that, it's touch very deep in your heart. So thank you very much.
And you have to add something that the price is cheaper than finding a new wife. Saya kembali kan.
Yes, thank you, our Dr. Yuli and Pak. Just now, Jakyu? Oh, yes, Pak Jakyu. Thank you for your sharing just now. So, ladies and gentlemen, just one question for you. Have you taken your SOP Subarashi today? Yes. Who has taken? Yeah, so for those who has taken, I need your power from the SOP Subarashigo to give your biggest round of applause for the founders from all the way from Japan and thank you to all of you who participate in today's soft launching of our office today. So just for your information, our office is not here. This is a conference room from AFC, and also the office is actually located at level 2. Yes, it's still under renovation. So, yes, thank you very much. It's level 2. Yes, so office. The proper office is level 2. This is the sharing conference room. Yes. So, now, let's enjoy the tea break later.
Before we leave, I want to introduce maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes. This is a very important person also. His name is Michael Tambi, one of the co-founder. Yeah. So Mike, introduce yourself. All right. So, okay, somebody touch me as well. So, yeah. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Why we are here today?
Look at you.
Huh?
Because of you.
No, it's never about me. Hello? Why you are guys here today? Yeah.
Opening ceremony.
Right. So, thank you for being here. Sunday at this hour, you are here. It means a lot for us. We are here to celebrate the beginning of our new office, right? Yes. So this reminds me a few years ago, we always start with a humble beginning. It's a very small office, yeah. Even this office, I think, is bigger than ours in the beginning, right? Our very first office is so small. We always started with a very humble beginning, guys. And thank you for always, thank you for your trust. We are not like many MLM company, for sure. We never start with something big, something, we never waste our money basically. So we always start small. So, thank you for believing in us. And we believe from this humble beginning, it's like repeating the history. I think we're going to be #1 MLM company in Malaysia as well.
This is a token of appreciation from AFC. Let's go to the back there to Thank you.